living. I gotta get it. I'm gon' make it. All my niggas living life. Live it up. L's for the life that I'm loving, so I'm living. I gotta get this money, nigga, that's a given. F all them haters who said that I wouldn't make it. Walk a hole in all my chewies cause I'm sagging. Same attire for the bitches that I'm bagging. Ask them why we somewhere out in Aspen. Waving middle fingers to the haters that was laughing. My cash in so you know them niggas assed out. I'm stacking so you know a nigga cashed out. When niggas come around, I'm the one they ask about. When bitches come around, I'm the one they ask about. Like where that nigga who be walking with that cash out? Why you niggas walk around with your stash out? Put that back in that shoe box before you pass out. You know that your rent money fucking stab out. You know that I'm a stuntin', call that nigga H2. Even bitches frontin' mad at me, they ain't you. Living like that Martin Luther couldn't even dream. Living life like coffee, only time you use the cream. While cash rule everything around me. Feeling waffle, all these squares tryna circle around me. Ego, for themselves, you leak sauce, little nigga prego. I'm a boss, can't you tell by how I stack Lego? Nothing clearer than the vision of the picture painted. These niggas tear up in the mirror, realizing they ain't it. I'm about that pastry, my donuts, I don't do the Danish. These niggas that can ask for cash and realize they ain't it. Ounce for the life that I'm loving, so I'm living. I gotta get this money, nigga, that's a given. F all them haters who said that I wouldn't make it, it just make it easier for a nigga that's a forget all.
This is a G-Sound music production.
G-Sound, BNYV, Vincent. We in the building. I want to introduce y'all to the Soul Show. All I ever knew was how to go get it. If it was money involved, I was so with it. Cause them J.O.'s ain't about ish. If you ain't have a fresh fit to go with it. Play that strip to the sun with. For Dolo ain't had nobody to run with. Never quite understood some-ish. And that's the shit I'm in love with. Another move made, that's another dollar. We grew to be cautious of that black Impala. Slow motion, no progress. You don't understand why I'm stressed. When you gotta make a move. And my little beanie, new shoes. The old me loading up the two. But they ain't even really what I'm like. To chase endless dreams. Big city of dreams, we got endless schemes. Why I got everything I don't need. Speaking of which, roll up that life too short so I can't sleep. Abused by substance, I can't eat. Gotta watch what you say and keep the combo brief. Just a few rules when you in these streets. When you in these streets. Trying to get my life right. My future might not be bright. I'm so addicted to the nightlife. In the trap house trying to get shit right. Oh shit still hunting me. Sorta like the devil confronting me. Sometimes I don't even be trusting me. Looking at my shadow trying to run for me. Am I taking put they trust in me? BBA said he busted up for me. Alphabet boys try to judge a G. Like all the tension in the hood is because of me. Learn to hustle through the politics. I'ma live, y'all don't gotta acknowledge this. But y'all don't understand, all I got is this. And as a man, my pride can't swallow this. Short to chase endless dreams. Big city of dreams, we got endless schemes. Why I got everything I don't need. Speaking of which, roll up that life too short so I can't sleep. Abused by substance, I can't eat. Gotta watch what you say and keep the combo brief. Just a few rules when you in these streets. When you in these streets.
This is a G-Sound music production.
But it's only one way I can say it. You walk everywhere you go. So, won't you just hop in?
Don't you wanna ride with a G? Let the top back, let it fly in the breeze. Baby, just relax and hit this focus, potpourri. Maybe, hopefully, before the day turns to night, you will call and wanna see how to ride with a G. I let the top up so nobody else can see. It's just you and I rolling through these city streets, under these city lights. Don't make me ask you if you should have to consider twice about the ride with a G. I can take you to a 3, certified down P. Dip low through the streets, sit low with the beat, knock the trunk and the freaks. You can't hide, I'm a seat, plus I'm flyer than you heard. Flowing on that potent stick, you got me higher than the bird. Let the top back and we begin the action. Enter my world of pure satisfaction. She giggling and laughing, then she starts sassing. She said, you like a camera, why you always flashing? I looked at her and asked her what type of questions you ask. I'm down your avenue, big corners bending them. These niggas' styles is all the same like a synonym. Switch it up, get your back, I'm pitching up on second thought. I'd rather smoke a blunt and just sip the liquor. Please don't bicker, ride to the beat. If you riding with me, then you ride with a G. You ride with a G. Let the top back, let it fly in the breeze. Baby, just relax and hit this potent potpourri. Maybe, hopefully, before the day turns to night, you will call and wanna see how to ride with a G. I'll let the top up so nobody else can see. It's just you and I roaming through these city streets. I'm in the city lights. You make me ask me if you should ride. Consider it twice.
Yeah. Hey, yo, Ma, how I look? Good, right? My family say I'm so distant, y'all so trippin'. It always been this way, I'm so different. If you feel like I'm there, but I'm so missing.
First of all, I want to say thank everybody for coming out. And we're here to celebrate my road captain's life. I don't know if any of you really knew my road captain. Silk, Shaka, co-worker, brother, son, friend. He's a good dude. Real good dude. He lived for this. If I couldn't make it, if any LM member couldn't make something, he would go by himself. The goal for this run is to celebrate his life, and I don't want anybody getting hurt doing this. We have designated road captains that are going to block traffic. He took a local route to his last resting point, which means we're going to be going through the street. They'll block the street. Please be safe. Bikes, stay together. Don't leave a gap in between if you can help it. If you're inexperienced, fall back. The cars will be behind you. We got a couple of our members' wives that are driving. They're not going to let nobody come up behind you. I need everybody to leave this place safe. We're gonna go to his house first. His niece is here.
And a few beats. This rap shit got me walking to a new beat. And I don't want him to be a damn thing.
His niece is here. She came out just to show or see what he did with his life while we do what we do. Now, when we leave every day on these bikes, we take our lives in our own hands. And I know we all do what we do. We all see the blast. We all see who rides, who does this, who does that. Take into consideration every time you get on that bike, you leave your family and your friends behind. This is a sport. This is a hobby. We take it and we make the best of it and we enjoy it. But I need all of y'all to be careful. I don't think I could do another one of these. This was a bad season. This is a bad season. A bad season. I need everybody to leave here. Talk to your members. Talk to your brothers, your sisters, your new riders. Everybody want to get out on the street and do their thing. Anybody can take a bike and go 180 miles per hour straight. Anybody, any one of you, can pop a clutch and go. I need y'all to be able to ride those bikes and hold those horses still. Ride in formation. Be safe.
You always was a black queen, mama. Papa was a player.
Like I said, we're just gonna go by his house.
Talking about some pussy, show me how to hustle.
Y'all can just follow. I'm not gonna give you the route. Follow. We're gonna go by his house. We're gonna come back up Linden. We're gonna wind up by Popeyes on Rockwood. That's where his final resting place. When I get there, I'm gonna stop before the driveway. Because his father is going to follow us in a car. I want his father to go into the parking lot with his sister so they can help us light the candles. And then after that, we can pull and take whatever space is left. Only thing I gotta say really is thank you very much for coming out. I really appreciate the show of support. And at the end of the day, you gotta live your life and ride your ride. That's all I gotta say. Let's mount up. We're gonna be pulling out here and making it right. Hold on. I'm not the most religious person, by the way. Silk set right here. This was the last time I shook my boy's hand. We went from here to his final resting place. I just want everybody to raise their throttle hand, show support for my man, as I say this prayer for my man in heaven. First and foremost, we come to you right now asking for guidance. We don't know why you do what you do, but it's not for us to know. We know that you took an angel and you put him in heaven. He was a road captain down there, and he's going to be a road captain up there. We ask that you bless everybody that came out. We ask that you bless everybody that get home safe to their family. Let no one here take life for granted, for life is not promised. These are the many blessings we ask. In the most holy and righteous name we pray. Amen. Amen.
Chicks never had a day off, but it be like this. I'm just trying to make a living. Stay with a bad chick, fresh, that's a given. Keys in my front pocket, girl in the back one. Wife will be fine if I ever had one. My ex saying that she missed me. We broke for a reason, I ain't trying to change history. I ain't right, keep hoes pointing at me like water fights. Baby, keep calling, I keep answering. Won't ever stop till I'm living in a mansion. At a store you never heard of, never went Hollywood riding in the. Music is my full time, weeds every day. I ain't never ordered Showtime.
No more fear in my mind. Floating free in the air. No more fear in
baby.
Huh? Yeah. You know, going to the club, get out this girl. What the hell with Kimmy, huh? Come on. I know you feeling me, shorty. It's on and poppin', keep the body hoppin'. Henny and Nally got the bang rockin'. It's not a thing to stop. It's alright to catch your breath. Misery yellin', keep that flavor droppin'. Switch up the flow, have niggas to get up. They don't be watching me blow. They feeling like they wasn't feeling before. I'm checking the score. Think we up 30 or more. I'm worthy to bowl. Y'all just never heard me before. I was flipping the roll, something seen flipping the roll. Had to change the gangster, now I'm out headed for tour. So I deaded the roll for some dough and plaques on the wall. I'm still in the hood, but not back in the wall. Can we bring it on?
Where's my niggas who stay frozen in the trucks just cruising? Come on, and if it's calling, y'all stay ballin'. Where's my niggas who stay frozen in the trucks just cruising? Come on, and if it's calling, y'all stay ballin'.
I'm on your body like I karate, a super hottie who probably do you in lobbies, giving me wonderful lolly, doing the group just for hobbies. It's on, won't stop me, old pop. We own the shop, the ones to watch. Get your mind on ya, money and money on ya, mind and liquor on ya, breath and ODUI, and do it like you're getting paid. Hop in the Escalade, don't be afraid, tend to give a shade. Get your mind blown, hoochie mama rhinestone, quick to get your grind on, bouncing through the time zones. On tour with a social, shock the world, and on the bus with your girl in the back like,
where's my niggas who stay frozen in the trucks just cruising? Come on, and if it's calling, y'all stay ballin'. Where's my niggas who stay frozen in the trucks just cruising? Come on, and if it's calling, y'all stay ballin'.
yo, nigga, word is on, making to dust to dawn. Chickens keep off my lawn, playing them like they pwn.
Bang them to dust to dawn, chicken in bed, they love licking the club, the hips hitting the heat up in the
Nigga, the club, the hips letting me rub the tits, talking all kinds of lips, malice, we never legit.
Hitting the bar, we lit, light up a Cali, clip, cough, and take a sip, shorty, yo, who you with?
Girl, it don't make a diff, leaving with me and this nigga right here. As soon as I finish my bid, we hit the red.
And we gon' bang out, girl, swing that thing out. Malice and pop, bang, you hot, bang, let's go hang out.
Trucks just cruising. Come on, and if it's calling, y'all stay ballin'.
You can't do it in your own strength.
Even when it's raining.
Christ is king, baby. Surrender. Give it all to him. He know right where to meet you. He know where you at. He know your struggles when you're suffering. He here to take all of it away, baby. He your umbrella. Keep you safe.
Even when you're physically, emotionally drained, remember sunshine follows the rain. We spiritually made. Lift your hands up and give Christ the praise he deserves. Work out your own salvation and discern. Get some nerve in your backbone. Don't let feelings steal your own when you can be loose from that hold that's taking the toll. Controlled by life's pressures. Self-motivated endeavors that seem clever and better than ever, but they will never weather the storm. I fight for the cause. Y'all think I'm modest cause I don't care about applause. I'm here to win the loss, got me selling it all. So the sin in my life get dissolved. I ain't playing with you.
When it's raining, he will be my umbrella. I have made a decision to serve Christ no matter the weather's raining. Everything you say is true when I'm going through. You're the proof that I'll make it when it's raining. He will be my umbrella. I have made a decision to serve Christ no matter the weather's raining. Everything you say is true when I'm going through. You're the proof that I'll make it through.
Incapable or living my life to the fullest. In my own strength, trigger might as well pull it. Bullets ricochet from all the games I done played and things that I done said but really didn't mean to say. Just giving the invitation to Satan to have his way, incinerating my brain to take me further away to an isolated place where I'm stranded. Can't think for myself, so I take whatever's handed. I'm just being candid. I hope y'all understand this. Got me feeling blue like a Jayhawk up in Kansas, but I switched up my transit. Now I have an advantage, and I am not your average cat. Man, I am powerful.
Even when it's raining, he will be my umbrella. I have made a decision to serve Christ no matter the weather. It's raining. Everything you say is true. When I'm going through, you're the proof that I'll make it. When it's raining, he will be my umbrella. I have made a decision to serve Christ no matter the weather. It's raining. Everything you say is true. When I'm going through, you're the proof that I'll make it. When it's raining, he will be my umbrella. I have made a decision to serve Christ no matter the weather. It's raining. Everything you say is true. When I'm going through, you're the proof that I'll make it. When it's raining, he will be my umbrella. I have made a decision to serve Christ no matter the weather. It's raining. Everything you say is true. When I'm going through, you're the proof that I'll make it. When it's raining.
Even when it's raining, he your umbrella, baby. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah.
We're gonna try to just hold it for another 5 minutes, which is right about the time the accident happened. I know that it's a bad situation. I just want to say thank everybody for coming out. His father's here. We're just gonna say a prayer in a couple of minutes. His father will say a few words, and that's it. I just want to hold the spot for another couple of minutes.
I done spent a generation recording the vibration of my vocal cords in attempts at communication with all ages, all sexes, all races, all nations. To penetrate heads and still generate bread is all patience. To tell the truth, in one way or another, we all racist. Don't mean hatred, just mean mine come before yours, cause mine's sacred. But you don't like that, but feel the same way or you wouldn't bite back. When I lock down and tell you about the way we held our block down, the way I held the Glock down for 20 years worth of clock clicks. Nigga talk tick, I gave my life to love and hop hip. So it's learning time. The respect I got came from earning mine. Get that through your head, let it sink in until it burns your mind. We some G's, and G's bust that real, so I believe him when he tells me that he loved his homie and still perceives him. So rest in peace, T-Cut. So rest in peace, T-Cut. So rest in peace, T-Cut. Peace up, and that's the reason. The A-Town stay down, West Coast to Southeast region. We need a rap breed of young niggas that still MC to move the crowd.
Thank you, everybody. His father wants to say something.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you all for your support. And I'm proud of all of you. And just keep doing what you're doing and stay organized. That's always very important. And if you ever hear of anything that's happening involving the United African Movement, you know, just come check us out. Doing yourself a service in the community. Thank you.
Before we part,
When everybody was screaming LM, my president says it, so my man can get out of heaven. Loud as you can. Scream LM, my man Sue. LM!
This is a G-Sound music production.
So fly, no lie, can't deny. We share the same frames, we see eye to eye. Why he rule the world, I'ma catch his slack. Michelle and Obama, she always got his back. Diamonds every day, cause every day is a special day. That's why I love him, cause of his special ways. If this is wrong, I don't wanna be right. And if they try to take my best friend, I'ma put a fight. Keep it official like a referee whistle. If them people come to get you, best believe I flee with you. You put me up on game, you put me on them things. Need a welding mask just to see my ring. What we got will never change. Our hands together on the wheel, and I'm never switching lanes. Without you, there's no me, and without me, there's no you. So I guess we stuck together like a word on the soup. But
Yeah.